Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you how to use TrafficGuard. How much does TrafficGuard cost? Advertising needs to change as businesses grow. TrafficGuard will help you protect your ad spend throughout your journey with price plans for any ad budget. Get set up and see the value of real-time PPC fraud prevention with your free account. In short, TrafficGuard has two main pricing options. The first one, Protect Plan, is free with up to $2,500 per month on Google ad spend, and the Protect PRO package costs 2% of Google ad spend and includes all supported services. TrafficGuard's PPC protection can help you get genuine ad engagements, convert more customers, grow your business faster, impression-level capabilities that drive advertising performance, viewability, pre-bid optimization, IVT measurement. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.